Solve the system that follows by substitution. If the system is inconsistent and has no solution, state this. If the system is dependent, write the form of the solution for any real number x. X plus 4y equals negative 9. 2x minus 5y equals 21. Since we're going to be using substitution for this, I could solve for any of these four variables. But since this x has a coefficient of 1, I'm going to choose that to start with. Here I want to solve for the literal equation for x, so I want to get rid of the 4y. To do so, let's subtract 4y from both sides. So x equals negative 4y minus 9. Now that I have this literal equation, I can substitute this minus 4y minus 9 into the other equation for x. So when I rewrite that, it's 2, and I'm going to put an empty set of parentheses here, minus 5y equals 21. What goes inside that set of parentheses would be negative 4y minus 9. There's my substitution. Now I can simplify this and solve for the y. Negative 8y minus 18 minus 5y equals 21. Here I can combine these like terms to get negative 13y minus 18 equals 21. By adding 18 to both sides, negative 13y equal to 39. Dividing both sides by negative 13, I can solve for y, and I get y equals negative 3. But since we want the solution to the system of equations, I need not only the y, but the x as well. I can use another substitution by substituting this value of y into my first equation. That would give me x equals negative 4, and I'm going to put an empty set of parentheses, minus 9. What goes in there would be negative 3. Simplifying this gives me x equals positive 12, negative times a negative, minus 9, or x equals 3. Now I have the x and the y, so I can state the system of equations solution as 3, negative 3.